What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. It's a freaking red day, guys. There's no way around it. Check out the chop. Guys, remember that we have the free Discord. I'll leave a link in the description and comment section below. Make sure to check that out, as well as trade ideas, 15% off coupon code. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the video. It's just one of those days. I don't even want to bring up Tesla, but Tesla was the trade of the day, so we're going to recap that. Now, let me bring it up here on the screen. Of course, it's trending lower now. It's been so difficult. See, today's Tesla idea came because of this gap entry. Here on the daily chart, we have this gap entry. Yesterday, Tesla had an extremely weak day. Even compared to the SPY yesterday, which sold off a lot yesterday, Tesla was even weaker for some reason. It was just super weak yesterday. And then today we gapped down big, right? And we gapped down underneath this gap entry on the daily. I have been waiting for that trade. I don't know. I've been waiting for that trade throughout this whole time. I've been waiting for that trade. I've traded Tesla calls. I've traded Tesla puts. I've done very well with Tesla. I did very well with Tesla in here. I did very well with Tesla throughout here. Just trading ranges on it. Love the volatility on Tesla. I love to trade Tesla. It's hands down one of my favorites, if not my favorite stock to day trade and at times swing trade. And then today, when we gapped down underneath that 944 level, that gap entry level, right here, we had our very first bounce attempt. And what I noticed was it was one of my go-to setups. I was probably a little bit early to the party. I might have been a little eager, but I did notice we had the bounce. We had decreasing volume on the bounce. So right in here, boom, went ahead and got my puts. Starter entry there. I waited to see if I could add to it. And then we got that action. That's it. Right then and there, I stopped out of it and sold out of my puts. So those were long Tesla put options, 940 strike, December 17th expiration, in at 27.15. Stop if Tesla gets above 945. That gap entry point that I was expecting to hold resistance. And then I'm in those 27.15, sold out 23.58. Okay, that's it. There's really nothing else to talk about there. Tesla went ahead and actually pushed up very nicely. Very nicely. All at the same time, where was the SPY? The SPY was up here in VWAP. The SPY, very nice. It had a gap down, but very nice uptrend. And then just trading sideways above VWAP here. It was just one of those days here where it was just very difficult to gauge. I did not expect the SPY to sell off today, so I was looking at the SPY, but I was solely focused on the Tesla chart for the most part because I expected the SPY today to be choppy. I did not expect the SPY today to do this kind of movement at all. Look at the daily on the SPY. That's an ugly daily candle and an ugly couple of days. On Fed meetings, for the most part, on Fed meetings, you don't have that type of action on the SPY. You don't. You don't have it on the first day of the meeting. You can have it on the second day of the meeting at 2:30 when all the news comes out. At that point in time, you can have that kind of action. But on day number one, you don't get that kind of action. You don't get that kind of action. You know, we move back over to Tesla here, and Tesla begins to break under VWAP. Right? We begin to break under VWAP. And right in there, I went ahead and picked up some more puts, tried to write them down. So I'm back in puts here. Tesla put options, 930 strike, December 17th expiration, 1865. And at this time, we're watching the SPY that was way down here. It was just selling off. So I was like, okay, well, maybe now we can finally get the rollover on Tesla. SPY starts to find some support in that 461 zone. We talked about that level here from the daily chart. And what I said beforehand, I said my only concern with this trade is that the SPY, since it's sold off so much more than Tesla, can start to find support, reverse, and then Tesla not follow suit to come to test the low of day. What does Tesla do? I take a little bit of profit, 1865 to protect myself. Then I take some more off at 1885 in here. And then I get flat at 1810 up here. And then Tesla, boom, right through VWAP again, only to now be just so choppy. Tesla it's not giving you straight up follow through in one direction or the other. So at this point, as sad as I am to have to let go of this trade, I have to let go of it before I chop myself up too much. Okay, I've already booked the red day here, and I'm not gonna let it get crazy out of hand. So I just wash my hands off of it. It's a great trade idea. The daily chart is prime for it, but because for whatever reason Tesla is not selling off, look at Tesla, look at the SPY. Riddle me that. Okay, riddle me that. It literally has relative strength comparable to the SPY, even though Tesla is red on the day. Just annoying. And then I could easily chop myself up here, take 2 or 3 more trades, and be down $3,500 on a day. Take me a week to get out of that, right? Depending on the action. I'm not about to do that. Hell no, I'm not about to do that. So what do? I recognize this. I recognize that I'm getting emotional. I'm getting a little frustrated. What do? Close off my trailer, close off my broker. Okay, wash my hands, and that's it. Sit back here in the office, answer some questions and stuff like that in chat. Work on a video for YouTube, and that's it. That's it, because I've been here. I've been on these days before like this, and these are the type of days that'll make you lose a week, 2 weeks profit, worse yet, a month. I've been there. It hasn't happened to me in over a year, maybe a year and a half. I've been there where I've given back. I'll never forget it. It was in November, having an excellent November. July and November are usually some of my best months of the year. And then on the last day of November, giving all of November back. No. We're not about that life anymore, because risk management is everything. So we're going to go ahead, book the red day, move on to tomorrow. Might take me a day, might take me 2 days to dig out of the red. It's all good. It's all fine. We'll move on to better opportunities. All right, guys. So that's it for me today. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I go live, which I go live Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9. Okay. And when I upload my next video. All right. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go